All right, real short video. This is our round bale turntable feeder. It has a handle that goes on either end right here. This is the handle. And what it was actually designed for was to set a round bale on and pull it down like a tie stall barn so that you could unravel the hay right in front of the cows as you were going down. And we use it for this. We just turn it and roll the hay off of it. It's a little tight getting in, but I'll try to set you somewhere where you can actually see it. I don't know. It's really tight getting in, but I'll do my best. Tried to get you a shot from out there, but I guess you'll just have to get my view of it. It's pretty tight getting through the door, and then what happens is I get in here and I have to pick up to get it up over top of that spike. Then set her down on the spike. Now I have to there, and that's that. Like I say, it's hard to get a video of it because it's so tight. Well, like I said, it's almost impossible to get a video of it because it is so tight getting in here in this doorway with a 5-foot bale. And my brother-in-law made some really nice bales this year. So that's all you got, folks.